Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, the Millennial Investor, 1914. Holla at your boy. Yes, we are in, let's call it, because today is November 30th. We are in the month of December, my favorite time as a YouTube content creator, but also this is my favorite time for investing. So I wanted to make a couple content focus before I get really real busy at work. And on the 17th, I plan on flying out to the Philippines. So I'm going to be gone 3.5 weeks. So I wanted to uh, definitely didn't want to escape and you know get away from my subscribers and members for too long. Welcome to November. Here we're going to go over the dividends that I accumulated for the month of November, strategies that I'm implementing for the month of November. I thought I was done, but I'm still changing my portfolio up. Also, if you guys have some ideas, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and put in the comments at the bottom, because I'm considering adding a cover call ETF. May not. So I'm thinking about QQQI or JEPQ. Uh, so yeah, I'm planning on retiring at 50 years old, but so we'll talk about that. So my portfolio is my dividend growth portfolio, my dividend stock portfolio as an update is at $70,598. The last time I made a video last month, it was $69, 69,000. So my portfolio is definitely making its way up, as you see. And now my portfolio was acting all shy. But here we go. So I'm again, one of my goals is for my dividend growth portfolio to hit $100,000 for this particular portfolio. Remember, I have multiple portfolios, and also going to make a video since it's the end of the year net worth portfolio, because my net worth just for 2024 alone has increased a lot from 70,000. Because my net worth last year was 70,000, and I'm already in the 100,000s. So my next video, I'll talk about that. As for this dividend stock portfolio update, this is the first time that I can this is the first time that I can go over the dividend income in the month that we're in, right? Because typically I do the video the following month, and it's hard to go back and look at how much did you make? Boom, right here. I made $86 in passive income, and that's only because AFG paid a special dividend a couple days ago. Oh, it was so lovely when AFG, American Financial Group, paid that special dividend. I received $7.21 from American Express. Costco, which is a low yielder, is paying $3 and close to 50 cents, and Eden is paying $5.89. And United Rental, $4.98. How I've built and constructed my portfolio is since I have about 10, 15, 20 years to retire, I have a lot of low yielders. So these low yielding stocks like American Express, Costco, United Rentals, they are at least 1%, 1.5%. Have a rate of return of 20-25%. So it's going to grow my portfolio in the long run. Dividend increases typically 10%, 15%, sometimes 17% with American Express. And so I am focusing on the dividend, but the dividend is really not what's really important. For me, it's the total return to compound my portfolio, uh, so I can get that rate of return in the next 15 to 20 years. And as you see right here, going into the next month is going to be in the 200s because of I have SCHD, SCHG. I've also edited my portfolio. I've also edited my portfolio so that I've been condensing my portfolio. I had roughly um, I had roughly like 25 stocks, and now I'm down to like 17, 18. And then in December, I'm going to sell Home Depot, and I'm also going to sell. Let me show you what I plan on doing real quick. So, real quick. So, real quick, I plan on because yes, my portfolio is going to be still a dividend portfolio because I'm going to continuously invest into SCHD, but I'm also want that total return. Total return, I have 15, 20 years of growth. We are in a IT, AI era. I want to capitalize on companies like Meta, companies like NVIDIA, companies, the Magnificent Seven, that no matter what happens, they're making money hands over fist. And I want my portfolio to grow with the tech boom. And so that's why by my half my portfolio is gonna be ETFs of SCHG, VGT, SCHD, the dividend ETF. But then uh, I'm gonna have uh, Meta holdings. I already have $10,000 worth of Microsoft. I already have $10,000 worth of Broadcom. And then once at the end of next year, once I get SCHG to $10,000, then I'm gonna focus on another stock, like maybe American Express or another stock to get that up to 10,000, and then focus on another stock so that my portfolio can compound and grow. And so for the month of December, this is what I plan on doing: selling Home Depot, selling Regional Financial, which is a regional bank. I've already have $4,000 into my Fidelity, and this is how I plan on allocating it: buying more Meta, buying more TSM, buying Amazon, more Amazon, uh, buying more SCHG, Amazon, etc., etc. So I like to set goals and implement so that I'm trying to what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to set my portfolio up for next year, because next year is 2025. Then it's 5 years away from 2030. Nvidia is making moves, making money. These tech companies, these AI companies are making money. We are in a AI boom right now. I'm going to make a video about Palantir, about how I'm going all in Palantir and these security stocks. And hey, not only is AI the play, but just investing in general, making passive income and investing is going to put you in a whole entire mindset, whole entire tier of just wealth. Wealth. You see that last video I made, my portfolio was at 69,000, and then now today it's at 7,500. Imagine at the end of the month with a Christmas rally, how my portfolio gonna be. I'm gonna be investing $1,500 per month. Imagine how my portfolio gonna look at the end of 2025. It could be, God willing, not gonna, it could be at 100,000. So this is what I'm planning on doing, where having a highly diversified portfolio. Of course, I'm gonna have tech. Tech is going to lead, but then I'm also still going to have exposure to industrials, exposure to consumer ceuticals. I might, even though I'm selling Home Depot, I'm still going to keep Texas Roadhouse. I'm still going to keep Kroger and Costco, because Americans and people around the world still got to eat. I'm still going to, even though I'm selling Regional Financial, I'm still going to keep AFG, American Express, and Aflac, because I use those. Uh, and then the remainder of my portfolio is going to be ETFs. So when we have a uh, bull market, then I'm going to be investing into my ETFs, dollar cost average, VGT, SCHD. But then whenever we have any type of uh, if whenever we have any recession or bear market, when things are down, that's when I'm going to take the opportunity to invest more into my stocks, because then the stocks are going to be down. Invest into the stocks, and then when we go into a bull market, the stocks are going to go up a lot more. And then while we go up a lot more, you invest to the ETFs along the way. Got to have a strategy in the way you think these things through. So overall, then lastly, these are the up and coming dividends that I have coming in for the month of December. Make sure you like and subscribe to my video. I made $86 of passive income. Hey, $86, something is better than nothing. But hey, I made $86 of passive income. My portfolio is up $1,000 from 69,500 to like 70,500. I'm going to be talking about my other portfolios in my other videos. Make sure you strap in, like and subscribe, share my content, and then also if you want some type of videos or any topics that you want to talk about, holler at your boy, and I can make those for you. Peace.